If you're paid through the CIS scheme, do you ever wonder how much you can borrow on a mortgage? So in this video, I'm going to explain it all to you. So I think we can appreciate everyone's situation is a little different from the next subby. Some of you will have a wife or a partner with an income. Some of you will have kids. Some of you will have financial commitments, or even a combination of any of these factors. And by the way, all of these factors affect mortgage affordability. So for the purposes of this video, so the mortgage compliance overlords don't put me over their knee, I need to lay out some assumptions. And these are that you're single, that you're buying a home with one income, that you're probably under the age of 50, so that's going to allow for a mortgage term of at least 20 years. You've got good credit, no kids, and maybe nothing more than a small car or a van finance for up to £300 a month. So based on this, a very approximate way of calculating how much you can borrow is to take your day rate before tax, multiply it by the typical number of days in a week that you work, and whatever figure that you've got now, I want you to multiply it by 46 weeks. And I use a 46 weeks as a multiplier because you're bound to take some time off at some point. So whatever figure you have right now, I now want you to multiply it again by 4.5. So let's run this as an example. You're an electrician earning £200 per day gross. You work 5 days per week, so that's £1,000 a week. And now times this by 46 weeks of the year. And please don't get a calculator out for that bit. Now let's multiply 46,000 by 4.5. And I do need a calculator for that. And that's going to give you £207,000 as a maximum mortgage on that example. And some mortgage lenders might allow you to use a 52-week multiplier, and some lenders will even take that and then allow up to 5.5 times your annual gross earnings, which would be fantastic if you're living in a really expensive part of the country, but maybe not so fantastic on your monthly payments. So as a general rule, the amount that you can borrow from your CIS income might be somewhere between 4.5 and 5.5 times your gross annual income. And then your income might be based on 46 and anything up to 52 weeks of the year, depending on which mortgage lender you approach. So hopefully you're not too confused, but if you are, ask me any questions in the comments. And if you really enjoyed this video, please can I ask that you subscribe to my channel, and this will serve up to you more of my CIS mortgage related videos as they're released.